All right, here we are. C power chord to G power chord. If the power chords give you too much of a hassle, that's okay. Just play roots along with me, and that's a great start. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and ready and go. And C and 2 and 3 and 4 and C and 2 and 3 and down to G. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and up to C go. C and 2 and 3 and 4 and C and 2 and 3 and 4 down to G and 2, 3, 4. Second time. Up to C go now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G and 2 and 3 and 4. Excellent. Up to C now. There we go. I'm going to be back next with a pentatonic scale. Going back to that horn thing I was talking about. The single notes. I bet you hear in single notes a lot. So we're going to go through something called the pentatonic scale. All right. It'll be fun. And sure, as I'm sure that we had that wonderful talk. And yes, I know that you're a wonderful improviser. So this will be a quick journey. There's a lot of information, and I'll get through it with you. There's so much. There's so much that I'll just try to put the blinders on and say, okay, let's just start here. But it's a whole study, many years, and that's okay if it takes a while. I think the important part is that we take the first step down the path, and I think you're ready. So I was thinking about this and thought you might enjoy it. So I'll see you in a bit.